On the matter of the ruling of the Speaker, I think that it is important for us to understand that long before the Speaker gave his ruling and the matter of the 4 members of Parliament filing and contesting as independent members of Parliament, Honorable Afenyo Markins had already gone to the Supreme Court. So it's like I'm arguing with you, and I suspect that you give me a slap. Then I rush to the court and says that someone intend to give me a slap, and therefore I'm suing that person for an assault. It simply doesn't make sense. My question is that on what basis did the Supreme Court even give him the hearing when the Speaker hadn't even given his ruling on the matter of the 4 colleagues of ours who have filed and contesting as independent members of Parliament? And I think that is one question we need to be asking the Supreme Court. And again, another thing that ought to be looked at has to do even with he going back to court, asking the court to grant him stay of execution on the matter of the ruling of the Right Honourable Speaker. He is a reporter, your producer is a reporter from Parliament. Any official document rightly to be used as an official document from Parliament, particularly proceedings in the chamber, ought to be approved by members of Parliament in the subsequent sitting. So when we sit today, and then we have another sitting tomorrow, we will approve the minutes, and let me describe this minute, called Proceedings of Parliament, the next day. Until such an approval is done, nobody can use it as an official happenings or officially what happened in Parliament. Do you know that we had to approve the vote and proceedings of last Thursday just yesterday? We approved what happened last Thursday just yesterday. And that is why the first thing you do when you get to the chamber, after the prayer and everything, the Speaker, the first thing he does is to look at the vote and proceedings. And he goes page 1, page 2. So when there are corrections, those corrections will be effected. And the Speaker then will pronounce that in the absence of any other correction, as far as the votes and proceedings of the previous sittings is concerned, I have declared that to be an official document of Parliament. Honorable Afenyo Markins went to the Superior Court of the land with the evidence he got from the vote and proceedings of Thursday, last week Thursday, which was not approved. So either he scammed the Supreme Court or they failed to do due diligence. So ab initio, it was a complete illegality.